alright.
You guys, if you listen to me screaming like a girl, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, holy, fuck! Fuck! Why did I do this? Why?
Everybody, we are in Beijing. Amazing ride. I'm so excited.
Hello everybody, my name is Antonio. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're in Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida. So we're actually gonna check if you are a lover of adrenaline and roller coasters. This is the park for you. We're only like 50 minutes to 1 hour away from Orlando. I love this park because it has like so many cool attractions. They just opened a new roller coaster called Tigress. So I'm very excited about that. Let's do it now. We're next, guys. Let's see this cheetah. Whoa. What a ride. Okay, you guys, now we're going to Mountain. This is amazing because you are going with your feet up in the air, so it's gonna be really fun. Let's try to get in the first row, okay? Let's do this.
Me too, we'll find it later.
Hey guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
So our feet are like this.
The tape is now completely rewound, ready for play. All in thrilling new sound.
Wow. Whew. That was so much fun. Crazy, guys. Crazy.
This thing's cool. All right, I'm going. I'm off. I'm off on an adventure. Hello, thank you for joining Stilt Vlogs #1. This is Luke. This is my new YouTube channel here. I'm here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
all right, I promise I'll stand.
Can I be in that shot? You wanna know what's funny? That this thing actually extends to your height. So,
This is amazing.
I don't know, why am I not in that shot? There you go.
Oh, the sun is so bright.
It's so fucking bright. We are right now in Pantopia. Well, we're gonna go now to the Tiger's Lounge. So they have also two amazing roller coasters that I want to check out. They have Shakra and the new ones and the new roller coaster called Tigress. So it's pretty cool. I really want you guys to check it out. The first one, Shakra, is like a free fall. It's crazy. They leave you standing there for like 4 seconds and they just drop you. And now Tigress is just crazy. It goes so fast, and it's something that you've never experienced before because this roller coaster actually goes all the way up, then it goes down, and then it actually starts. Kind of. It's really crazy. You love it. Whoa, you guys, can you see it? It's beautiful. Okay guys, are you ready? I am. Let's go to Tigress. Let's check out Busch Gardens' latest roller coaster. Let's go. Wow, you guys, I'm so excited. So this ride just opened a few months ago. It's pretty crazy how it actually goes like front and backwards. It goes faster than a tiger. Oh yeah, it's just crazy because I saw that. I'm not gonna be able to take this camera with me, but I have my GoPro ready to go to show you guys this amazing ride here in Busch Gardens Tampa. Wow. You guys, seriously, I think it's one of the best roller coasters I've ever been. Okay. Now we're going to Shakra. Really excited. This is one of my favorites. Okay, you guys. This is Shakra. You guys, this is my favorite roller coaster. I'm gonna throw my stuff in the locker. I'm gonna check it out. There is a crazy free fall, and we're gonna go and check it out. Follow me. Let's do it. To like, subscribe, and you can do whatever you want. I'm trying just to like,
Close your eyes and hold on.
yeah, squeeze my butt and like hold tight. You know, yeah, no, you know, like, yeah.
I thought it was just one of those go up in a
No, and it's not like here.
I don't know.
You guys, ay a la verga. Woo!
Well, it's too late now.
Yeah, too late now to say sorry.
I'm just trying to way downtown Tampa Bay.
I.
Oh, good lord, this is pretty high.
Yeah, this is not the worst part yet.
Oh,
Oh, I'm gonna scream like a girl.
that's alright.
You guys, if you listen to me screaming like a girl, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, holy, fuck! Why did I do this? Why?
What a rush. Oh, wow.
But, well guys, this was my last ride. I said that I was gonna do it before I leave the park, so I did it. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. That's it for Busch Gardens. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed doing it, making it. So, nothing. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna see that crazy rocket space launch on Monday. I'm so excited.